Therefore, as we sacrifice our personal lives for the welfare of others, as we in this room do so for the sake of the world, then by that intention do we sanctify the world, sanctify human life. It's by our intention that human life becomes sanctified. Oh, that's personified in the life of Jesus Christ. The message radiates out 2,000 years later. Yeah? So as we support that energy now, then we are serving life right this moment. Right this moment, we are, all of us, collectively serving the welfare of all of human life. Huh? Let us see if that's a fact. That's a fact, O Lord, resist. That's a fact. You don't have to ask, what can I do? Do me a favor. Don't do anything. Stop doing things, please. Just be the fulfillment of the potentiality which you have karmically inherited, or you would never be in a room like this, because a room like this is full of people destined for enlightenment. Everyone that is in this room is destined for enlightenment. That's a fact, O Lord. Resist. It is a fact, O Lord. Otherwise, why else would you be here? Why else would you be here if this was 10 people destined to become tennis players, or at a class on tennis this afternoon? People destined to become enlightened are in a class on being enlightened. What else would you expect? Everyone here then has to own that within themselves, that you all innately have elected by your own free will to be that which upholds all of life in its expression as humanity. By your very being here, this very moment, we are upholding. We are part of that 15% that's upholding the other 85%, just by the virtue of our commitment to truth, to learn about truth, to my sharing with you what I've learned about truth, and what I hope will be useful to the world. And in today's world,